Hello, I'm Katie Walker, and in this video I'm going to show you how to caption a video using YouTube. YouTube has automatic captioning, but it's not perfectly accurate, so it requires this one step of editing beyond the automatic captioning that's generated by YouTube. So the first step is log into YouTube with your @alaska.edu account. That is a Google account, and YouTube is part of Google. And when you click your name, or your initials, or your icon photo up here in the right corner that shows the account that you're logged into, then you start by going to Creator Studio. If you are not in the correct account, you can use Switch Account to go to the correct account. It makes a lot of difference in being able to find your videos again if you pay attention to which account you're using. And for school-related things, use your Alaska account. So when you click on Creator Studio, all of the videos you've uploaded will appear here. It doesn't matter what tool you've used. If you've manually uploaded MP4 files, for example, versus using something like Screencast-O-Matic and then uploaded them directly from there, they'll all appear here. And I like to click View All to see the full list of videos in a slightly different format. So it tells me my videos that are HD or closed caption, etc. I'm waiting on some students to caption these as part of a service learning project. So that's why they don't have a CC yet. I'll give you an example. This one, a student has finished doing the editing for me. Just to show you what the closed captioning looks like when you are watching a video. There's a CC button right here. So that can be turned off or turned on. And notice that it has capital letters, punctuation, and it is 99% accurate. So that's how you turn on and off the closed captioning. And that's what closed captioning looks like. So going back to my account and my Creator Studio, if I wanted to close caption this video, for example, I uploaded this a few weeks ago. If you have just uploaded something, you might have to wait a couple of hours, depending on how long the video is, for the automatic captions to generate. So what I'm going to do is click on Edit for this particular video that needs closed captioning. And I've got a lot of different editing tools. You might be interested in looking at some of those, but the topic of today's video is closed captioning. So I'm going to click on this last one here, CC, subtitles and closed captioning. So because I have uploaded this previously, it has had time to generate the automatic captions. Now I will just say quickly, I've seen only a few instances when the automatic captions did not generate or generated in a different language, and that's when there's been poor audio quality. So it's really important that you have good audio quality, so do a couple of tests first before you record a important video, making sure that your audio is good enough quality. It's never happened to me, but I've had it happen to a few people that I work with. Either they had the microphone too far away from them, it was just too quiet, or possibly they just had poor quality and it didn't recognize that it was even English being spoken. So if you have the automatic file, you just simply click on it and the automatic captions will appear here in the left side here. And all I have to do is click on Edit. And then basically all I do is I go through and play the video and edit the captions as I go. YouTube does a really good job, especially when the person is speaking slowly and clearly, but it does not do a good job of capitalization and punctuation, and that of course makes a big difference. So it's important to go through and make all of those corrections so that it can be understood accurately by someone using the captions. So I'm going to go ahead and play.
Hi you guys, we're using Screencast.
So I can see right away that she actually said, whoops, hi you guys. And so I'm going to use the punctuation and capitalization. And then I continue to play. And then I can see that that's the end of a sentence, and so I start a new sentence here. Okay, so basically you just continue on like that. The timing is generally fairly accurate, but it is important that it's synchronized. So for some reason, if it's not, which often happens when there's multiple speakers, then you can just simply come over here and adjust the timing so that you can see that it is showing up when you're actually hearing that being said. So that's really important. So you continue to go down. You're not supposed to have more than 2 lines, so if you needed to, you could add an additional captioning box. And be careful not to capitalize just the beginning of a new captioning box, because you really need to be paying attention to actual sentence structure. So as you go through, you just continue to edit, and notice that it just saves automatically in drafts. So if you don't do it all in one setting, it's fine. You can just exit out, and the next time you come back in, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. So when you are done with the captions, all you do is publish edits, and those captions with the corrections will now appear on your video. So it is important to do this in a timely manner, because YouTube will show the inaccurate captions until you do this step of editing. So hopefully this will help you. YouTube is a pretty nice tool for being free, for being able to caption your videos. And it doesn't take very long, particularly when you have a fairly short video.